Alright. Where's he going?
No. No.
Come on, buddy!
You gotta be tired.
I know.
Archie, no.
I shouldn't laugh. Hey, Bubba. He shouldn't have to.
You want to give him a shot?
He's like, please carry me. I'm tired. Oh!
Archie, stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh, he's gonna sleep all afternoon.
Archie.
You alright?
I mean, you see this shit, right?
I see that stuff, yeah. It's knee deep, for sure. And I bet you're not even touching the ground. Alright. Okay, Bubba's. Let's take you inside and dry you off. You too, Archie.